NorCal Skywest 5606, we're level 6000, heading 040 at 210.
5606, NorCal Coast, turn left heading at 360.
Left 360, Sky 5606.
5606, center maintain 4000.
Center 4000, Sky 5606.
Sky with 3395, maintain 180 knots until actual contact San Francisco Tower.
180 to Axel, 100 Tower, Sky 3395, how you going?
464 from Seabit, turn left heading 300, maintain 3000 until establish on low 50, cleared ILS, only cleared right approach.
Being 300, 3000 to establish for ILS, 28 left approach, United 460. Sorry, yes, 28 right, United 460.
United 460, thank you, maintain 210 knots till steep and then 180 knots till maximal.
Turn to steep and then 180 Axmal, United 460.
And it's our speed, we're 287 heavy, descending 6000 feet, 3010.
5606, turn left heading 340.
Heading 340, Sky 5606.
Approach speedbird 287 heavy.
Speedbird 287 heavy NorCal approach, roger flighting 010, maintain 10maintain 5000.
Heading 010, maintain 5000, speedbird 287.
Speedbird 287 heavy, currently flighting 110, maintain 5000.
110, maintain 5000, speedbird 287.
And 460, maintain 180 knots till actual traffic, San Francisco Tower.
180 to Axmal, go to Tower, United 460, yes.
5606, San Francisco, we're 10 o'clock and 13 miles. Inside Sky 5606. 5606, turn left heading 31, 0 miles, and coast, runway 210 knots till 10 mile final.
210, 10 mile final, 310 is right, 3602, Sky 5606.
Yeah, 5606, break right there, 4000.
Yeah, it's about 4300, Sky 5606.
Speedbird 287 heavy, descend and maintain 4000, turn left heading 010.
Maintain 4000, left 010, speedbird 287 heavy.
Sky with 5606, maintain 180 knots until the 5 mile final.
Alright, we'll slow to 180, Sky 5606.
Yeah, 5606, there's traffic 12 o'clock and 4.5 miles there, but on the runway 28 right, do you have that traffic in sight?
What was the direction of him, Sky 5606?
Yeah, 5606, he's on a 7 mile final for runway 28 right.
We do have him inside, Sky 5606.
Yes, 5606, roger, maintain visual separation 160 knots until the 5 mile final.
Slow to 160, Sky 5606.
Speedbird 287 heading, turn left heading 350.
Approach, was that speedbird 287 heavy, left 350?
Speedbird 287 heavy, affirmative 350, descend and maintain 3000.
350, descend and maintain 3000. Any speed at the moment, speedbird 287 heavy?
Speedbird 287 heavy, reduce speed to 180.
Reduce speed 180, speedbird 287 heavy.
Approach United 2351, 6000.
5606, maintain 160 knots, till 5 mile final contact San Francisco Tower.
160, 5 miles over to Tower, Sky 5606.
At 2351 NorCal approach, turn off heading 010, descend and maintain 5000.
010, down to 5000 at 2351.
Speedbird 287 heavy is 7 miles from Maximal. Turn left heading 310, maintain 3000, approaching 2300 till establish on low pleasure. At LS, runway 28 right approach.
Okay, left 310, descend 2300 feet, and get ILS approach 28 right.
At 2351, reduce speed to 180, then descend and maintain 4000.
180, then 4000 at 2351.
Speedbird 287 heavy, maintain 180 knots till Maximal, and Maximal contact San Francisco Tower.
180 knots to Axmal, then San Francisco Tower, speedbird 287 heavy.
800 heavy is with you, Down to 6,000.
Got 800 heavy north Cal approach, try to maintain present airspeed and report a bridge at San Francisco Airport in sight.
Okay, present speed and report the San Francisco Airport in sight, United 800 heavy. Just one is at 6,000 for United 800 heavy.
Just about to give you low now, descend and maintain 4,000 United 800 heavy.
Descend and maintain 4,000 United 800 heavy.
69 descend through 6,300 for 6,000.
180.
Delta 525 north Cal approach, turn 5 degrees right.
5 degrees right, Delta 525.
United 800 heavy, reduce speed to 182.
180, United 800 heavy.
28 left, localizer, maintain 2,300.
2,300, left is 310, intercept the localizer, 8 left, United 2251.
That's 2251, maintain 2,000 full established from localizer.
2,000 still established from localizer, United 2251.
1969, turn left heading 010.
Left turn 010, Alaska 1969.
800, just to maintain 3,000.
Okay, Sun maintain 3,000, United 800 heavy.
That's the 1969, just to maintain 4,000.
Sun maintain 4,000, Alaska 1969.
United 2351, maintain 160 knots until maximal.
160 till maximal, and by push plane 69, 2351.
United 2351, correct, and it'll be 160 knots until 2 yes.
United 2351, disregard that. San Francisco Airport, 12 o'clock and 7 miles. Do you have an inside?
Yes, sir.
United 2351, clear visual approach from my sweet left, which is normal speed.
Visual approach is almost speed, United 2361. Clear visual approach, wait left, United 2361.
Yeah, runway inside.
At 800 heavy, roger, expect left a couple miles. Alaska 1969, turn left heading 310, intercept the runway 28 left, localizer.
Heading 310.
Southwest 793 North Cal approach. Roger, fighting 010, descend, maintain 4,000.
793, disregard that. Flight 020, maintain 5,000.
020 down to 5,000, Delta 793.
1969, reduce speed to 180, traffic 12 o'clock and 5 miles, heavy Boeing 777 for runway 28 right, reporting traffic in the airport inside 11 o'clock and 1 2 miles.
We have both traffic in the airport inside Alaska 1969.
That's the 1969, maintain a visual separation with the heavier bus landing 28 right, descend to maintain 2,000.
Descend to maintain 2,000, we'll maintain separation Alaska.
2 o'clock, 10 northwest Mountain direction with the Boeing 737, 5,500 feet. Straight left for traffic San Francisco Airport inside.
There's still Delta 525.
Delta 525, maintain 5,000, maintain 5,000.
And we're at 5,000, Delta 525.
793, turn left heading 360, descend, maintain 4,000.
360 on the 4773.
Descend 22, North Cal approach, greater contact, maintain 3,000.
3,000, we're at 22.
Wingspan 22, turn right, heading 280, vector on course.
Right, 280, wingspan 22.
Delta 793, flight 330.
330, no, Delta 793.
That's the 1969, clear visual approach, runway 28 left, maintain 160 knots, still a 5-mile final.
Clear for visual, sorry, left 160 knots, 5 mile final, Alaska 1969.
NorCal approach Delta 2356, 6000, head 070.
136 NorCal approach, Buster. Span T2, climb and maintain 5,000.
5,000, one span 22.
Couple miles Delta 525. Traffic's now about your 1 o'clock, 5 miles northwestbound, 4,500.
There still IMC Delta 525.
793 traffic 310, intercept the runway 28 left localizer.
Okay, 310, intercept 31 left, or 28 left locus, 793.
So after 1969, reach the final approach speed, close practical speed and contact San Francisco Tower.
Alright, we'll pull it back over to Tower, Alaska 1969.
San T2, turn left heading 180, enable direct Woodside.
180, direct Woodside, Wingspan 22.
Wingspan 22, contact approach 133.95.
3395, Wingspan 22, good night.
Southwest 93, descend to maintain 2000.
Maintain 2, Southwest 793.
Delta 2356, turn left heading to 010, descend to maintain 4000.
Left turn 010, down 4000, Delta 2356.
Traffic in the airport, Delta 525.
525, maintain those separate miles traffic, clear to approach 3 right.
Hey, clear visual 3 right, maintain the separation of the tower, Delta 525.
Contact San Francisco Tower 120.5, maintain 180 knots, 0 to 5 mile final, good day.
180 better, still 5 up, then clear to right, Delta 525, good night.
And we're on the way down to 4000, Delta 2356.
Roger, the Sims reported about 4,000 breakouts here shortly, and see the bill here at 10 o'clock in 13 miles.
We're looking Delta 2356.
So give it 6 degrees speed to 180 and sliding 310, intercept runway 28 left localizer.
Go to 180, left turn to 310, to intercept 28 left, Delta 2356.
793, contact San Francisco Tower and release the source practical speed.
Source practical, going to tower, Delta 793.
Approach guys 5248, 753 to 1767, please 040.
Yeah, with 5248 northbound approach, fly heading 020, then maintain 6,000.
Plus 020, maintain 6,000, guys.
Bill's inside Delta 2356.
Delta 2356, clear bridge approach, runway 28 left, maintain 180 knots till 5 miles an hour.
180 till 5 miles, clear for the visual, 28 left, Delta 2356.
Delta 1699 NorCal approach to Roger. After RTD 7maintain 6,000, you can expect a breakout around 4,500. Report a bridge at San Francisco Airport on site.
Okay, after RTD 6,000, we'll call the airport site up, or bridge site up.
That's 5248, maintain 4,000.
4,000 now, guys. 2 right.